I have prepared 4 problems here, and these problems involve fractions, and we are going to solve these problems using models. So the first problem, we have John puts candles on a cake. He lit a quarter of the candles. Okay, so for the first and the second statement, it's enough that we can draw a model. So I'll show a quarter of the cake. So let's have one, two, three, four. Okay, so all candles are here, and then we need to show a quarter. A quarter. Okay, this one is a quarter. Okay, now let's continue the analyzing the problem. Then he lit 5 more candles on the cake. He lit 5 more candles on the cake. As a result, exactly 1/3 of the candles on the cake were lit. Okay, now, so I will draw another one here to show 1/3. Okay, so this is the candles of the cake, and let's show 3 parts. Cut it into 3 parts. So I will have, okay, I'll use another color. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, then earlier, okay, this one, okay, so this one earlier, okay, 1/4, and then this time after he lit 5 more. So this one, okay, so 5 more, that means to say this part, 5 more. Okay, now then the question is, what was the total number of candles on the cake? Okay, so we can see, we can find out that we can divide, okay, this one we have 1, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this one also 3, 4. I'll use another color for this one, yellow for this one, orange rather. Okay, and then we have already here another group. Okay, so all in all, we have, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 parts in all. We come up with 12 parts. So we're looking for how many candles is that in all. Okay, now so we know that 1 part is 5. So 5 times 12 is equal to 60. So there are 60 candles in all. What was the total? So there were 60 candles in all. Okay, now let's proceed to question number 2. Okay, now a tank is 4/5 filled with water. When 1,680 ml of water is poured out, the tank becomes 1/2 full. Find the capacity of the tank. Now, so let's analyze. A tank is 4/5 filled with water. So meaning to say, I have to show in that statement, I can show the model for to show 4/5. Okay, so 4/5. So I'll use this black 4/5. Okay. 1, 4/5. Okay, 4/5. Okay, I make it a little smaller so that the space will be enough. Okay, 4/5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I need to show 4/5. 4/5. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that one is 4/5 already. Now, when 1,680 ml of water is poured out, the tank becomes 1/2. Okay, full. Okay, so let's draw another table here or bar. Okay, and then one. Okay, some water. Okay, poured out, and what left is half. So I'll cut this into half. Okay, so the water now is until here. Okay, so let's find out. Okay, this one has been pulled out. This part. Okay, so this part. Okay, or okay, this is 1,680 ml. Okay. Now, then the question is, okay, so this is done already. Okay, the tank becomes half full. Okay, half full now. Then the question is find the capacity of the tank. Okay, so what's the capacity of the tank? Okay, now, so let's find out that 1,680. Okay, so let's again, okay, from this part, okay, to this part, it's 1,680. So I think we can cut it again this way. Okay, now, so find out how much is that, how many blocks or how many units is 1,680. So we can see that 1,680 should be divided by how many blocks? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 blocks. So 1,680 divided by 3 equals, okay, 1,680 divided by 3 is 560, okay, in all. Okay, so one block is 560 ml. Okay, and then we're going to find out how many in all. So there are how many blocks in all. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 blocks in all. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 10. So therefore, we have to multiply, okay, 560 times 10 is 5,600 ml. Okay, so our answer is, okay, find the capacity of the tank. The capacity of the tank is 5,600 ml, or if we will write it in liter, 5.6 liters. Okay, we're done with question number 2, or problem number 2. Let's proceed to problem number 3. Okay, now, Sarah spent 1/3 of her money on DVD player. Okay, and 3/8 of the remainder on MP3. So first, first statement, Sarah spent 1/3 of her money on DVD. So let us first show that 1/3. Okay, in other words, there must be, the model is divided into 3 equal parts to get 1/3, to show 1/3. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Then 1/3. 1/3. One part. Okay. Out of 3 is shaded. So this part is shaded. 1/3. Okay. And this is for, okay, money for DVD. DVD. Okay. And then let's continue. And, oh, sorry. And then we have, and 3/8 of the remainder of, on an EP, okay, on a MP3. Okay, so in that case, I'm going to draw another, I will draw another model here. Okay, now, so this earlier, it was divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, what left there? Okay, so this one is already for DVD. Okay, then what happened is, okay, this, what left, okay, one, okay, 3/8, okay, 3/8 of it, okay, for DVD. So I'm going to cut it in such a way, the remainder will be there will be 8 equal parts. So I have, there must be 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there must be also 4 there. So I can see that, okay, there's 3/8 of it. Okay, so I'm going to color 3/8 of it. I need, okay, 3/8. Okay, 3/8. So this one is 3 out of 8 equal parts. Okay. Okay, so that one is for the MP3. Okay, so this is MP3. Okay, now, and that in, okay, and after that she had 3 um, 3/8 of the remainder for MP3, 3/8. After that she had 375 left. Okay, so after that she has 375 left. Okay, so the 3/8 and then 300. Okay, so this one is left. Okay, and how much is that? It is $375 left. Okay, this one. Then how much money did she have at first? So in other words, if you can see 375 left is divided by into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's have 375, okay, divided by 5. So let's divide 375 by 5. Okay, so 375 divided by 5 is equal to 75. Okay, so its part there, okay, this part is $75. Okay, now, then this also, remember fraction, equally divided. So how many equal parts are there now? Okay, we're finding how much, okay, how much money did she have at first? So we're looking for all the money. Okay, blue. Okay, so we're looking for all the money there. Now, so 75, we have 75, let's see, have read $75 times how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts. Okay, so $75 times 12, okay, gives us 900. So we have $900. So the question is, how much money did she have at first? So she had $900 at first. Okay, now let's proceed now to the last problem. Okay, and the problem goes like this. Okay, a container has 2/3 full of oil. So in the first statement, it's enough that I can draw a model. I have to show 2/3. Okay, so for the 2/3, I need to draw a model here. One, two, three. Okay. Then it says, okay, 2/3 full. Okay, I'm going to show the 2/3. One, two. Okay, this 2/3 full. Okay, then when 4.5 liters of oil was poured out, it was a quarter full. Okay, now I'll draw another model down. Okay. Okay, now, so this one is already, sorry. Okay, now, so let's see. This one is full already. Okay. And then when 4/5, okay, 4.5 liters of oil was poured out, it is a quarter full. Okay, so a quarter full means we need to show a quarter here. So I must erase some of here. Okay, I need a quarter. So I will cut this, okay, one into a quarter. Okay, a quarter. So to get a quarter means I need to cut this one cut another way. Okay, and then this one also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. Okay, so this one now is, I have 3/4 now. Okay, and then what happened is that, okay, this is now a quarter full. So that means this one is not there. Okay, that's a quarter. Now, so we're going to find out now how much is this one. Okay, from here, okay, this one is how much. Okay, poured out. So that means it is, okay, it is 4.5 liters or 4,500 ml. Okay, so find out how much is that if we're going to have that blocks there. Okay, so we can have this one. Okay, okay. Now, okay, what was the capacity of the container? Okay, so we're looking for how much is that in all. Okay, so what should we do? So first, we have to divide 4,500 ml by how many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. Okay, 45 divided by 5 is 9. Okay, and then 0, 0. So that is 900. Okay, and then what should we do? After that, okay, the question is how many, what was the capacity of the container? So how many spaces are there in all? So one part there is 900. This one is, one part is 900. Okay, or this one is 900. Let's make it another color. Okay, this is 900. Okay, 900. Okay, so how many 900 are there? Okay, so 900 times, there are 12 parts. Okay, so 900 times 12 is equal to, okay, 10,800 ml. So 10,800 ml. Okay, so 10,800 ml is the same as 10.8 liters. Okay, so our answer here, what was the capacity of the container? So the capacity of the container was 10.8 liters.